समर्पण की राह पर चलता है वही जो स्वयं से पहले कर्तव्य को रखता है। बिन बोले जो सब कुछ अर्पण कर दे, वही सच्चे अर्थों में जीवन को जीता है।
Samarpan is the courage to stand and give, to serve with faith in the way we live. When self steps back and duty leads on, true dedication is quietly born. Good afternoon to one and all present here. On behalf of Principal Mrs. Sonia Ghai and the entire fraternity of Army Public School Jorhat, I, Asita Hazarika,
And I, Harsh Trivedi,
welcome Chief Guest Colonel Rohit Pandey, Added Commandant, Station 7, dignitaries and parents to this annual function. This evening's program is thoughtfully woven around the theme Samarpan, a tribute to dedication, selfless service and unwavering commitment that inspire every step of our journey. To kindly come forward and light the ceremonial lamp, marking the formal commencement of the annual function. When birds pause, music speaks for the nation. Today, we begin our program with a patriotic instrumental presentation, where melodies replace lyrics and instruments echo the spirit of India.
each note you're about to hear reflects sacrifice, courage, unity, and pride in our motherland. Let the rhythm awaken patriotism and set the tone for a meaningful celebration. With great pride, we invite our students to commence the program with a patriotic instrumental performance. उत्पादन के लिए आपकी मेहनत, तालमेल
देश की हर बहन को और देश की हर बेटी को आज समर्पित करता हूं। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर
माथे पे चढ़ा बस रंग नहीं है स्वाभिमान भरपूर। सिंदूर 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 जीना मरना ये आन बान है स्वाभिमान भरपूर। सिंदूर 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 सिंदूर
जब मुझे पे उठा सवाल मारी तेरी चूनरिया लहराए। जीना जीना रे पूरा गुलाल मारी तेरी चूनरिया लहराई।
से खेलेंगे होली कर वतन मुश्किल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है।
क्या आप इस मिशन के लिए तैयार हैं? यस सर। क्या बदले के लिए आपका खून खोलना है? यस सर। कमांडोज, who are we? Indian sir. Alpha George. Hi sir. Alpha George. Hi sir. Alpha George. Hi sir. Good.
है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम हार दो। सावधान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी के तुम द्वार दो। बाण बाण शान याद जान सावधान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड
मेरी दिल जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो। तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो जीतती रहो। जो तेरे नैनों से टपके हर आंसू है अपना जो तेरे होठों पे ठहरे वो गीत अब अपना जो सीना तान के तू चले उठता है सर अपना जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी सर पर हाथ है अपना तेरा जो भी है सपना अब जिम्मा है अपना सपने सच करने की तेरी बारी। कहाँ से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो जीतती रहो।
respected parents, principal, our hardworking teachers, as well as all the support staff which is present here today, as well as not present here. So firstly, I would like to congratulate you on a lovely theme that you chose for today's evening. I think it mirrors our country's, heartfelt imagination that we are so happy to see our children performing so well on a theme which is so close to our country's heart. Because we have retaliated very hard, and obviously our adversary, that is Pakistan, and other adversaries understand that India cannot be taken for granted. So congratulations once again to the principal ma'am and to the children for putting up such a lovely show. Very well done. Now when I come to the other aspects, firstly I feel privileged to be here amongst you. I know it's your 34th annual day and you guys have done very well. Your school has performed extremely well. So you all deserve a very loud round of applause. May I request everybody to give them a big hand. As we celebrate the success of Sindoor, I also want to tell you today that I want to tell you about a personality called Chhatrapati Shivaji. Now why do I want to tell you about him today is also because this is the personality who in the about mid-17th century helped India come into the center stage and establish a nation. And he also lived through a very similar time. He had very less resources, he had a lot of enemies, but however, he became a very unique and a very illustrious general and a leader, and he was able to make a mark for himself and establish the Maratha kingdom. So you all should know about him, especially the children, and you should learn from him. There are few lessons which I will tell you before I leave. But firstly, one episode which comes to my mind, and that is when this gentleman was captured in about 1666 by Aurangzeb in Agra. So he was in captivity for about 3 months. But however, despite being a king, he was able to get out of that particular place with a lot of hard work, with a lot of planning, with a lot of intelligence, a lot of help of the locals, despite being out of his own kingdom. So there is a person here, that is Shivaji, who without any help could manage to get out of the great Mughal empire's captivity and escape back all the way to his Raigad fort in Shahdri Hills, that is now near Pune. So this is a gentleman who we all can learn from. And why I tell you about, especially the children should know, Shivaji was a gentleman who was not from the blue blood. While his father was a chieftain who used to fight for one of the Abdalis and the Shah of Bijapur. But otherwise, he was from a very normal family. This boy, or now this great personality, rose up all by his hard work and all by his mother's dedication, who used to teach him. He had no formal education. And in fact, he was without any kind of reading knowledge until he became the king also. So you all must understand that there is so much to learn from our history. And Sindoor was also something like that. India has always held that the fact that we are all a dharma following country. But however, our neighbors were not very happy about it. And our peace loving and our amicable attitude was not happy with Pakistan. It was not going well for the last 75 days, years. So now you see what the result was finally, that we were able to destroy Pakistan's major infrastructure, and hopefully in the days to come, Pakistan will not carry out any other misadventure. So very briefly, I will tell you about certain lessons that you all should know, especially the children today, that what has he left for us as a legacy. That is the great Shivaji. So firstly, he started very early in life. Like you all, today you all are between 5 to about 18 years. So you are in the right time frame of life to start, and you should not worry that I am slightly late. Secondly, respect your own culture. think about your country, think about your own tribe, think about your own particular religion, but also think about everybody else. This gentleman has given us a lot of examples of how he looked after his subjects. He was very alert but grounded. He was very intelligent yet ready to learn. He was a visionary, a strategic leader, yet always ready to learn from his adversaries. So this is again something which our children should keep in mind, and all of us should keep in mind that we should not take anything lightly. He had confidence and courage. You all are aware as children that you should not lose heart, whether it is today or whether it is in future. Work hard, have the confidence and have the courage to do well. Always be motivated, have creative thinking so that you people can overcome any challenges which you will come in life against. And there will be dime a dozen of challenges as life for you is just starting. Finally, he used to respect women. He had laid down very strong laws in his kingdom that women have to be treated very well, and he was very harsh in case there was any violation of his orders. He also used diplomatic means. It's not that he was a very good guerrilla fighter. He was a very good somebody who could use the ground very well. But he was also a very good diplomat, and so he was able to get a lot for his state, despite he not having a lot of resources, a lot of money. So you should know all these things. And finally, I would like to conclude by saying that he had this concept of bringing in a lot of homogeneity or a lot of closeness between the various princely states which were there at that point in time in Deccan Plateau. And he was finally able to give some kind of state or Indian kind of a feeling to the central part of this country. So this is a very good thing. At that point in time, in 17th century, he was able to do this. We are 400 years down the line. I am sure we can work wonders. And finally, he was loved by his subjects. And I am sure if we all can continue to work hard, utilize this opportunity, I am sure we will be loved by our peers, loved by our teachers, and loved by our countrymen. Finally, before I conclude, I must say that please do not give up. Please do not feel disheartened if you have not got your marks good, if you have not won a particular prize, or if your performance has not gone well. Be happy. I am sure you will all achieve your milestones in life. You have a lot to achieve, and there is a big world waiting out there for you. So thank you once again. And I want to congratulate all of you once again for your brilliant performance and for your heart-rending performances, which have really made my heart cry today to see such brilliant performance. Well done. And
Of inter-house foot the wave competition. The first position is attained by Sanchi House, and I will request the participants to come one by one. The names are Shubhranshu Shekhar Shah, Abhishek Saikya, Tanishka Das, Nikhilesh Jax, Pratik Bhatt, next we have second position, which is backed by Takshila House, and the participants are Saptarishi Bharani, Shubhankar Das,
यश शोले, प्रज्ञान मुरगोडे, in the third position we have Ajanta House and the students are Prithviraj Manoj Arsul, Barnab Das, Shimansu Bora, Hardik Kumar, Ayush Bora. Thank you, sir, for doing the honor.
हर मौसम बेमिसाल बेनज़ीर है, ये कश्मीर है, ये कश्मीर है। ओ देश में तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा, है अर्ज़ी दीवाने की, जब और सुहानी देखी, एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो। कभी याद करे जो ज़माना, माटी पे मन मिट जाना, जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो। ओ देश में तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। तेरा रहे रंग बिरंगा, ऊंचा आसमां से तेरा तिरंगा, जीने की इजाजत दे दे या हुक्म शहादत दे दे, मंजूर हमें जो भी तू चुने, रेशम का हो मधुशाला या कफन सिपाही वाला, ओढ़ेंगे हम जो भी तू बुने। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके
And the best speaker for the motion is Mila Modi. Best speaker against the motion, Arandan Thukan. Arandan Thukan has represented our school in numerous other competitions and has won many accolades for our school. So please give a big round of applause. And the best interjector in senior category, Adri Bora. Adri is also representing our school in CBSE Heritage National Level Quiz. Please give a big round of applause. Next we have inter-house quiz competition, and first position is backed by Takshila House, and the participants are Harsh Dwivedi. Harsh Dwivedi will also represent our school in the CBSE Heritage Final Quiz competition. Himadri Bora, Daksh Kumar, in the second position, we have Sanji House, and the participants are Devi Nayak Das, Tanishka Das, Lavika Das. In the third position, we have Nalanda House, and the students are Shivanoj Barua, Shahin Irfan. With this, we have come to the end of the prize distribution ceremony. Thank you, sir. May I now request sir to address the audience.
कश्मीर की ठंडी हवाओं से लेकर कन्याकुमारी की गर्म धूप तक भारत की विविधता ही उसकी सबसे बड़ी एकता और शक्ति है। जहाँ लोग अलग अलग भाषाएं बोलते हैं, अलग धर्म मानते हैं, अलग परंपराएं और अलग पहनावे अपनाते हैं, फिर भी हम सब एक साथ एक राष्ट्र के रूप में खड़े हैं। यही विविधता भारत की सबसे बड़ी खूबसूरती है। कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक, गुजरात से असम तक, हर क्षेत्र अपनी अलग रंगत, संस्कृति और संगीत जोड़कर भारत को और भी समृद्ध बनाता है। इस डांस ड्रामा के माध्यम से हम भारत की इसी भावना का उत्सव मना रहे हैं, एकता, सद्भाव और साथ रहने की शक्ति। चाहे हमारी संस्कृति कितनी भी अलग क्यों ना, हमारा दिल एक ही देश के लिए धड़का है।
आपको 6 से 7 मई 2025 की रात 1:05 से 1:30 बजे के बीच भारतीय सशस्त्र बलों द्वारा अंजाम दिए गए ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में जानकारी देंगे। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम में हुए विभत्स आतंकवादी हमले के शिकार मासूम नागरिकों व उनके परिवारों को न्याय देने के लिए लॉन्च किया गया था। इस कार्रवाई में 9 टेररिस्ट कैंप्स को टारगेट किया गया और पूरी तरह से इसे बर्बाद किया गया।
India has demonstrated considerable restraint in its response. However, it must be said that the Indian armed forces are fully prepared to respond to Pakistani misadventures, if any, that will escalate this situation. Jai Hind and thank you very much.
अब जाके कहीं
तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी याद सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। ओ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Gratitude is the memory of the heart. As this splendid evening gently draws towards its conclusion, it is time to pause, reflect, and express our heartfelt gratitude to all those who transformed this beautiful vision into a vibrant and memorable reality. On behalf of the Honorable Principal, Mrs. Sonia Bhai, and the entire staff of the Army Public School, Jorhat, we extend our sincere appreciation to everyone who has contributed directly or indirectly to the success of this grand occasion. First and foremost, we express our deepest sense of gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, whose gracious presence truly elevated the dignity of this occasion. Your inspiring words and encouraging thoughts have left an indelible impressions on young minds and will continue to guide and motivate us on our journey ahead. We would also like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Lieutenant Colonel Krishna Kumar, retired, for gracing the occasion with his esteemed presence. We place on record our sincere thanks to 22 NSR, 825 ASC Battalion Air Maintenance, 270 Company ASC Supply, 990 Independent Transport Company, CMP Detachment Headquarter 41 Sabilia, and 702 Engineer Plant Unit for their invaluable support and cooperation, which played a pivotal role in making this function both grand and smoothly executed. We also acknowledge with deep appreciation our supportive parents, whose trust, encouragement, and cooperation continue to strengthen the sacred bond between home and school. Our heartfelt thanks go to the behind-the-scenes contributors whose silent dedication, tireless efforts, and meticulous planning ensured the seamless execution of this magnificent event. Last but not least, we extend our sincere gratitude to our wonderful audience for your presence, patience, and warm applause, the true reward for every performer on stage. With hearts full of gratitude and pride, we conclude today's annual function, carrying forward the spirit of unity, dedication, and excellence. Thank you, and we wish you a very pleasant evening ahead.
As the final notes fade and the curtain falls, the performances spoke volumes, echoing sacrifice and devotion, bound by unity, inspired by duty, strengthened by perseverance, and glowing with patriotic pride. As we have come to the end of today's wonderful program, we are hope the performances spoke volumes and left you with beautiful memories.
In a student's life, academics and co-curricular activities must go hand in hand, as it is essential for shaping the future and character of the students.
Now is the moment to recognize and celebrate our students for their hard work, dedication, perseverance and achievements, both in academics and in co-curricular activities. We now move to an important part of today's event, the prize distribution ceremony.
Now, we formally invite Jewel Sir to take over the stage and conduct the prize distribution ceremony.
Every moment of the stage was made special by your presence and encouragement. With the gracious permission of the distinguished audience, we, the host, take your leave. We wish you a pleasant and fulfilling evening ahead. Jai Hind.
May I request everyone to kindly stand up for the national anthem?
WBE has said, and I quote, "Education is not the feeling of a page, but the lighting of a fire." A very good afternoon. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I feel privileged to extend a warm and hearty welcome to our honorable chief guest, Colonel Rohit Pandey, Adam Commandant Station Cell, Jorhat, distinguished guests and esteemed parents present here on the occasion of Annual Day celebration of the school. It gives me immense pride and pleasure to present before you the annual report for the academic session 2025-26, a year marked by outstanding achievements, collective efforts and a strong commitment to 21st century learning. At Army Public School, Jorhat, our guiding vision is to prepare today's learner into responsible citizens of our country and positive lifelong leaders of tomorrow by teaching strong values, developing a passion for learning and providing a positive environment to maximize their cultural, sporting and social potential. This academic session, school translated into guiding vision into purposeful action through a wide spectrum of academic, co-curricular and value-based initiatives. Focus was given to overall development by improving classroom learning through hands-on activity, inter-house and inter-school competition 2025. In CBSE Heritage Quiz competition 2025, we have been qualified for the national semi-final to be held in New Delhi on 4th Feb 2026. APU Zorat has been shortlisted among the top 15 schools from across the entire Northeast region in CBSE Regional Skill Expo 2025 in Artificial Intelligence and Cyber Security. Our students excelled in inter-school scholastic competitions. At the command level, our students achieved second position in quiz and third position in Hindi debate, reinforcing our academic strength beyond the classroom. Sports
Station 12 to please come on the stage and do the honor. Next we have on the list inter-house debate competition. First in the junior category, Divyanshu Talukdar from Ajanta House for the motion Best Speaker. We also have another student in the first rank, Anvita Mohan from Nalanda House. Then we have the best speaker against the motion, Alampika Datta from Sanchi House. And the best interjector from the junior category, Plavita Das from Sanchi House again.
ये सब तो
हर मौसम रंगीला, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ओ ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, बोले पपी।
Students in young minds. Good evening, Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished guests, respected principal ma'am, teachers and dear parents. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to the prize distribution ceremony of our co-curricular activities held in the session 2025-26. Co-curricular activities play a significant role in holistic development of the students by fostering creativity, teamwork, self-confidence and leadership qualities. Throughout the year, our students have participated in various CCA events with enthusiasm and dedication, showcasing their talents in arts, music, dance, sports and literary activities. Today, we proudly acknowledge and felicitate those students who through perseverance and excellence have emerged victorious. Let us now commence the prize distribution ceremony with a warm round of applause.
With utmost pride and respect, we now invite our performers to present a dance performance on the theme Samarpan.
So, to kindly come on the stage and raise the occasion by giving away the certificates and trophies. Sir, please.